All right, good morning everyone. Today I have a super exciting video for you. Today I am going to be installing the MAPerformance Catted Downpipe on my beautiful 10th gen Honda Civic Si. I decided to go with the catted downpipe simply because I don't want it to be crazy loud, and I just wanted it to be that much louder. So I went catted just to keep the tone good and kind of calm while ramping up the noise level a little bit. All right, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the downpipe, and then we can get to installing it. All right, so here it is, the MAPerformance Catted Downpipe. And I've got to say, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at the welds right around the O2 sensor bung here. Like, those welds are just absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm done showing you guys. I'm done being all flashy. Without further ado, let's start installing this puppy, shall we? All right, so the first step is going to be taking off these two little bolts there for the heat shield, and then there's one pesky bolt right under this little intake pipe here that I'm gonna have to get to. Let's do it. All right, I'm sorry the fan sounds probably a little loud in here, but after a bit of struggling, I got the heat shield off. Like, I got all the bolts off, as you can see. But now it's just chilling kind of right there. If you can see that, it's this thing right here. I'm just gonna wait till I go under the car to get it. Right now I'm trying to disconnect the O2 sensor from this thing right here. So I already disconnected the wire for the O2 sensor. That's this guy right here. So that's all disconnected. I just need to get the O2 sensor off the engine here. So yeah, we're making progress. All right, so a little update for you. Not a great update, so hopefully you guys can see, but I just snapped that stud up there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but yeah, so there's supposed to be a nut at the end of that, and this whole stud just snapped off. But I did get this one out. So we're just gonna keep working. We're gonna go with those bottom two. And luckily enough, the MAPerformance downpipe came with some extra hardware and studs and everything. So I should be okay. I think I should be okay because I got some extra hardware. The problem is going to be getting that out. I have no idea how we're going to get that thing out, but we'll get there when we get there, I guess. Let's keep on chugging along. All right, another update for you guys. It's been about an hour, I'd say. I got all the bolts up here off. So all four of those bolts are off. The stud snapped. I think I already told you guys about that, so that's a whole problem for down the road. And down here under the car, I got everything off except this guy. God, I am doing awful at filming. So down here under the car, I got everything off except this nut right here on the back of there, this bolt right here. And so I'm working on this, and then once this is out, the downpipe should be good to just drop right down under the car. So, yeah, whew. All right, it's been quite a little bit of time. I don't know exactly how much, but it's been a while. And I'm stuck on the dumbest shit. So the downpipe is ready to come out, except I cannot get this clip right here disconnected for the O2 sensor wire. And I have no idea how to do it. I just like being fully honest with you guys and fully open. This is a really dumb thing that I can't figure out, but I cannot figure it out. So I just wanted to let you guys know and give you a heads up. Like, if you were gonna do this, be prepared for that. And I'm also very concerned as how the heck I'm going to get that broken stud out. But we'll see. MAPerformance did give me a bunch of hardware. So I think once I get that stud out, if I'm going to replace it with one of these studs and use this hardware here. So I think that'll work. I mean, we'll find out. And that's if I can get this stupid wire out. So we're figuring it out. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, you guys, we just finished up. It is all set. It was a very long install, and somehow I have more hardware than I started with. But we're not going to talk about it. So it's all done. It's lowered. I'm going to have Haley come over here and start the car, and we'll give you guys a cold start. So let's go. I'm very excited. You can go ahead and start it whenever. All right, here we go. First cold start. I'm so excited. Actually? Oh, there probably will be. It's louder. How much louder does it sound in there? It's louder, but it's not like stupid loud. I like it. All right, it's starting to stank. I'm smelling it. I'm smelling that cat breaking in. Man, she is louder. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God, dude. She is so much louder. It sounds good though. It still sounds like a good exhaust. I'm hyped. All right, as you guys just saw in the last clip, I finally finished installing that downpipe. It sounds really good. My girlfriend's being obnoxious. Hey! Anyway, it sounds really good as you were just hearing. I'm gonna clean this place up a little bit. Then we're gonna record some drive-by clips, some revs, all that fun stuff. It's still very tame. Like, it's still not incredibly loud. It sounds very similar, just a tone up, just a slight touch louder. So I'm happy with it. I can still daily drive the car. It doesn't sound obnoxious. Let's go get some clips. All right, guys, I got Haley in the car. She's gonna do some flyby clips for us. She's driving, so here we go. Oh my God, it sounds so good, dude. Oh my God, I love it. I freaking love it. It's tame. It sounds almost the exact same as it did when you're just cruising. The second you get on it, oh, it wakes right up. Oh, that sounds so good. Plus, paired with that intake too, oh, it's just perfect. It is perfect. I'm so happy. Man, that was awesome. You guys, today was a freaking phenomenal day. I had a good time all day, from waking up and installing a car part to driving it around. That's pretty much what I've been doing all day, is just driving it around, enjoying it. I realized I didn't explain what happened with that stud that broke off on the turbo mounting plate. And so the stud was about this long, and I only broke off about that much of it. So I literally just used the stud. Like, it's just a touch shorter than all the other studs. So it should be fine, I hope. I mean, it's working fine now, and I've been driving around all day. My initial thoughts right now are about the same. It really added a good extra layer of sound, I guess to call it. I don't really know how to describe it. It's just a little touch louder, and it's perfect. It sounds so good. The tone is perfect. It's not obnoxious. It's not raspy. I couldn't be happier about it. Let's put it that way. And the install wasn't that bad, honestly. It took me about 4 hours, and that was including a parts store run to get an O2 sensor socket, so it's not bad at all. I was very, very happy with the product and how it went and all that. But all right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I sure as hell did, and I'm super excited now that it's starting to get warmer outside. It's gonna be summer. I'm gonna be bringing you a lot more install videos and a lot of fun videos, so stay tuned if you want to see that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and thank you for watching.